If one of your goals is to start earning on YouTube channel starting from next year or next month or even next week, depending on your drive, your consistency, and of course, your luck, your first step should be you creating a YouTube channel account. And it is very, very easy. It does not require any gear, it does not require any software, and it is free. Creating a YouTube channel is free. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you ways and step-by-step guide on how to create a successful YouTube channel. And I'm also going to be showing you some ways you can customize your channel for easy access and also to be at the top of the game. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So your first step is to go to youtube.com. It's going to show you this. So come to this top right corner and select sign in. If you already have a Google account, you can use the Google account. But if you do not have a Google account and you're just starting afresh, then come to this use another account and create a Google account, whether you want to create a business account or for personal use or for a child who is a minor, depending on what you want to use this for. Just do your thing. Then you will have to fill in your basic information, your first name, last name, your date of birth, your gender if you want to, and just fill the necessary things you need to do. And you select create account, and the account is ready to be used. So if you already have a Google account, come to this top right corner. At the bottom of your name, you're going to see create a channel. So just put the name you would like to use for your YouTube channel and also put your handle. It could be the handle you use for all your social media pages, I think, if you would like that. So select, write that and click on create channel, and your channel is ready. As you can see, this is what it's going to bring for you. No picture, nothing. So now to the customization. Come right here to the settings, or you can just start a customization by clicking on your profile picture already, and it's going to bring you to this page. Or you come to settings and click on channel customization, anyone that you like. So come to this picture, then click on upload, then select any picture that you have, and yes, we have your picture. And for the banner, YouTube banner can be quite tricky because you need a size and everything like that. So the recommended size is 2048 by 1152 pixels, and you can do this using Canva. Canva should be your favorite as a starter. Well, if you have a good graphic designing skills, you may use other platform, but I'll recommend you using a Canva as a starter. So you can just come to Canva, then select, then just type in YouTube banner. It already has the sizes, the recommended sizes. So just click on anyone that you want, edit it to whatever way you want to, then click on share. So it's going to download into your downloads. It's going to be in your downloads. So now you can head back to your downloads and come to YouTube for your customization. Then select upload, select the picture that you just downloaded and use it as your banner. When you upload your banner, YouTube is going to show you what it will look like on all devices, from your TV to your phone to your desktop. You're going to see what the banner is going to look like. So whether something is going to cut out or is going to be perfect for all devices. You get, this is what it's going to look like after uploading your banner. So now we have a profile picture for your channel, and we also have a banner. Can you see everything is looking good already? So after doing this, you can come on to description. Yes, description is very, very important. If you want it to be detailed, it is a place where you can express yourself, where you can let people know what your channel is about without them having to scroll and scroll for them to have an idea of what your channel is about. So when you're done filling your description, your picture, your banner, just click on publish. And this is what it's going to look like. Your channel is going to look this way right now. Beautiful, colorful, making sense compared to what it looked like earlier when it was just plain and blank. Moving on, select settings again. So come to your channel. In your channel, you have the access to select the country that you have, the country you're making your video from, whether it's the United States, United Kingdom, Nigeria, anywhere that you are, you have the chance. And when you're done, come to keywords. These keywords can be very, very important. It's just for you to put in some words that really align with what your channel is about. So I'm going to put in lifestyle vlogs, the life of Adikemi. That's the title, the name of the channel. Just put in anything, not just anything, the keywords that match what your channel is about. So now you can come to advanced settings. In the advanced settings, this is where you select whether your channel is for kids or is not for kids. If you can do this right in this advanced settings, it makes your work easier when you want to upload, instead of YouTube asking you every time you want to upload a new video. The moment you set this, you don't have to keep selecting this on every upload. It is automatic. So you have to state whether your channel is for kids or it's not. So for this, my channel is not made for kids, so I'm going to select that. On to the next one is the feature eligibility. As you can see, we have the standard features. We have where you can upload videos, you have playlist creation, you can add collaboration to playlist, and you can add new videos to existing playlist. The requirement for this is just a YouTube channel, nothing else. An active YouTube channel without any strikes whatsoever. So for the intermediate features, this is where you have the chance to upload videos over 15 minutes. This is where you have the chance to customize your thumbnails. Instead of YouTube just picking a random picture from your video, you will be able to customize your thumbnails when you activate this feature. And you can also go on live streaming. Amazing, right? So for this, you need the standard feature, and you also need to verify your phone number. So select this verify phone number. It's going to bring you here. So select your country, put in your phone number, and an OTP is going to be sent to that phone number. Put in the OTP and your channel is going to be verified. So that is that about that. And I really hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And until next time, have a great one. Happy creating.